Okay, let's have a look at adding a new type of PLC. So in this instance it's a Unitronics Vision PLC. So we can go to our library and go to our manufacturer's parts manager. So adding a PLC, we can just choose top level if we wish. Or you can be more specific and say that it's a specific I/O module. In this case it's actually a mixture of digital inputs and outputs. So it could be very specific and say it's in there, but we'll just highlight that it's an input-output module to begin with. I'm going to add the new part in. We'll just put these side by side with the manufacturer's information, and then we can see what we're actually typing. 350, 35. I can put an overriding root mark, which is basically how it's how the component's going to be numbered, and I can enter a description as to what the component is. So just entering a description there, taken from the technical specification. Of course it may have a different reference there, and I'm assuming it's 24 volts DC, 24 VDC, and we can even specify can obviously specify the sizing information, etc. So it will generate a 3D model just from basic height, width, depth information. You can also define the address system, etc., and the card position if it was a card based system, but this isn't, so we don't need to fill any of that in. But what we do need to do is start adding plenty of contacts. So on this particular occasion what I'm actually going to do is switch over to the image that you've got, and we'll start off with pin 1. So circuit number 1 is just a miscellaneous PLC, and the circuit number is plus V, or you might wish to put 1, 2, 3, depends on how you actually want to number it. Then we add another one, and the next one is 0 volts. We add another one, and the next one is an earth. We can add another one. Obviously these are miscellaneous PLCs connections. And the next one is an input. So this is a digital PLC input, and this is going to be called I11. And we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. And these are digital PLC inputs. So those are the connections across the top. Then we have further connections at the bottom, and it depends on what order you want these to be shown in. Typically I suppose most people would work from 1 to 15 across the bottom the other way. So on this one I can just say, well, add and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to that amount. I suppose we can work from the bottom, and this is going to be a digital PLC. That's miscellaneous PLC, which is going to be number 15, whereas this is a digital PLC output. And this one is a digital PLC output. Then you've got 2 miscellaneous, and then 1 analog PLC output, another analog PLC output, and then another miscellaneous. And that is the PLC created. Simply save and you can use it on your drawings.